3 reasons why you need to try this Huepar LM50A review. Are you tired of working in cramped spaces with limited visibility? Do you struggle to measure angles and distances accurately? But here's what surprised me. I recently discovered the Huepar LM50A, a leveling laser tool that has revolutionized my DIY projects and construction work. Therefore, I'm excited to share with you 3 compelling reasons why this product is a game changer. If you're like most people, you've probably encountered issues with inaccurate measurements and misplaced lines. This can lead to costly mistakes, wasted time, and frustration. But don't worry, I've got the solution for you. For the best price, click the link in the description. The Huepar LM50A is a versatile leveling laser tool designed for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. With its compact design and robust features, it's perfect for various applications such as hanging pictures, assembling furniture, or even setting up a deck. Therefore, I highly recommend this product to anyone who wants to save time and effort. But wait, there's more. Let's dive deeper into the benefits of using the Huepar LM50A. Reason 1. Accurate measurements. One of the most significant advantages of the Huepar LM50A is its ability to provide accurate measurements. With a high degree of precision, this leveling laser tool ensures that your lines and angles are spot on, eliminating costly mistakes and rework. Therefore, you can be confident in your project's quality. The Huepar LM50A features advanced technology, including a Class 2 laser classification for enhanced safety. This means that the laser beam is clearly visible, reducing eye strain and minimizing the risk of accidents. But don't worry about the complexity. The tool comes with an intuitive interface, making it easy to use even for beginners. Reason 2. Simplified leveling. Are you tired of struggling with manual leveling tools? The Huepar LM50A makes it a breeze to achieve perfect horizontal and vertical leveling in minutes. With its compact design, this laser tool can be easily maneuvered into tight spaces, making it ideal for working on sloping or uneven surfaces. The product includes a built-in leveling sensor that automatically adjusts the laser beam's angle to ensure accurate alignment. This feature is particularly useful when working with heavy objects or materials that require precise leveling. Therefore, you can rely on this tool to deliver reliable results every time. Reason 3. Versatility and durability. One of the standout features of the Huepar LM50A is its versatility. Whether you're working on a small DIY project or a large-scale construction site, this leveling laser tool adapts to your needs with ease. The product includes multiple mounting options, allowing you to attach it to various surfaces or tools. In addition, the Huepar LM50A boasts an impressive battery life of up to 5 hours of continuous use. This means that you can work without interruptions, even on long projects. Therefore, this tool is perfect for professionals who need a reliable and efficient leveling solution. Now that we've explored the benefits of the Huepar LM50A, I'd like to reiterate why this product stands out from others in its class. For those who want to save time and effort, the Huepar LM50A is an essential tool. With accurate measurements, simplified leveling, and versatility, it's no wonder that many professionals have chosen this product for their projects. But don't just take my word for it, try it out yourself. If you're ready to take your DIY or construction work to the next level, click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. The Huepar LM50A is available on Amazon for $199.99. Order now and discover a new level of precision and efficiency in your projects.